Okay, when you got a system of equations and you are looking at a graph, it's pretty easy to see the solution. We're looking for the solutions to the blue line. All right. All right, so that would match up with the blue line. So everything on the blue line is a solution to y equals negative x plus 5. Everything on the red line is a solution to y equals 2x minus 4. So we're looking for the solution to the whole system. Well, that's just the point where both of them are solved simultaneously, which would be the intersection point. So you look here, we find the intersection point is 3, 2. Now we want to verify that using the rules, so all we have to do is plug 3, 2 into both equations, make sure it works. So if I plug in 3, 2, that means y is 2 when x is 3. And we can find out 2 times 3 is 6, minus 4 is 2, so 2 does equal 2. Needs to work in both equations, so I'm going to put 2 in for y here. And, oops, it's a positive 3. Let's back that up quick. There we go. So the opposite of 3 is negative 3 plus 5 is 2, so it does work, so it is verified that that is the solution. So pretty easy when you have a graph, you just look for the intersection point. Here, just quickly note, these are parallel lines, so obviously they do not have an intersection point. Therefore, this would be no solution. And how can we verify that they are parallel with the equations? Well, if you take a look at the slopes, they both have a slope of 4. So they're both growing at the same rate, but they're starting at different numbers, so they will never intersect. So no solution to that. And this is an interesting problem here. I tried to put green and blue. Alright, so if you notice, these are actually the same line. So the answer would be many answers or many solutions or infinitely many solutions. And how can I verify that? Well, if they're the same line on the graph, I should be able to show that they're the same line with the equations. So if I solve for y, I get y equals negative x plus 5. So in fact, they were the same equation. So infinitely many answers.